Yo, what is up guys? I'm back again with a video about the Google Home. So today I want to show you some of the best commands again. This is part 2 and today it's only gonna be about games and funny things. So let's jump right in after the intro. But have you subscribed already? Because if you haven't, you should do this right now. Let's go. Jump in with the first one, and I think it's going to be very funny. So let's go. Hey Google, spin the wheel.
My old friend the Wheel of Fun suggested that I compliment you, and it will be my pleasure. Let's see what this cat has to say. Oh wow, he thinks you're the best.
Yo, I have no idea what that was. Let's go on with the next one. I think many of you don't know, but you can actually play Truth or Dare with your Google Home. So let's test that out. Hey Google, Truth or Dare?
Okay, let's get Truth or Dare.
Welcome to Truth or Dare. Be warned that this app can have mature or offensive content. To continue using the app, choose between Truth or Dare.
Dare.
Put the socks of the person to your right in your mouth.
So the next one is also a very cool game. It could be very funny if you do it with your friends, like 2 or 3. It's called the Song Quiz. So let's jump right in. Hey Google, let's do a song quiz.
Okay, for that, you might like Song Quiz. Want to give it a try?
Yes.
Alright, here's Song Quiz.
Welcome to Song Quiz, brought to you by Volley. Would you like to sign in so we can remember your scores?
No.
No worries, you can sign in next time you play if you want. How many people are playing Song Quiz?
1.
What is your first name?
Tomato Tech.
Where are you from?
Switzerland.
Choose a music decade. You can say 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, 2000s, or 2010s.
2010s.
Searching for an opponent. Your opponent is Linda from Texas. I'll play 5 short clips from the 2010s. After the music stops, try to guess either the artist or the name of the song. You can also try to guess both for bonus points. If you need more time, just say, repeat, let's begin. Question 1 for 10 points. Name the song title and artist.
Bruno Mars.
You got the artist right for 10 points. The song was Just the Way You Are by Bruno Mars. Linda answered incorrectly. Your score is 10 and Linda's score is 0. Question 2 for 10 points. Name the...
So I think you get the idea. It's a very cool quiz. I think you can play it alone or with your friends. Just a fun quiz. So let's go on with the next one. So the next one is, hey Google, tell me a riddle.
A riddle? You just said the magic word to return to riddle rooms. Okay then, follow me. A mysterious mist shrouds the doorway, and it smells like lemons. Maybe the cleaners came. It seems like we're in some kind of chamber. Listen. The walls echo with the desperate ramblings of some long-forgotten tongue. It beckons us through this Stygian chamber to our certain doom. And now, behold, the eldritch script that must portend a hideous and unknowable... Oh hey, it's just a riddle. If you have one, you don't share it. If you share it, you don't have it. What is it?
I don't know.
If you're having trouble, you can say cheat code, or you can keep guessing. That's what I'd do.
So as you can see, quite cool with the sound effects, the echo, and yeah, just a cool feature of the Google Home. Many of you don't know this, I think. So the last one is also a very practical feature of the Google Home. You know, you want to flip a coin or just choose between two options, then you can actually use your Google Home to flip a coin. So I think that's awesome. And also listen to the sound effects again, just very, very cool feature. Okay Google, flip a coin.
All right. You got tails.
So that was the last one. I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and also comment down below what you want to see next. So it was very fun for me to record this video, and I hope you also had some fun. Just try these comments out at home, and I hope to see you in the next one. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps me, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Then you can also comment down below what you want to see next, maybe a review of a product you always wanted to see, or whatever. Just